Many people have realized that being overweight is unhealthy and are trying to find original recipes to help them lose the extra pounds. Green tea lemonade is one of the drinks people are starting to use to help with weight loss. Besides being delicious and refreshing, green tea lemonade is really easy to make. Also, the ingredients, green tea, lemon, honey, and cinnamon, are things you'd find in your own kitchen. And the best is that these ingredients help with weight loss. Here are some ways these ingredients are great for weight loss. Green tea. Green tea has an antioxidant that helps burn fat and keeps your metabolism rate high. A study done in 2007 showed that this antioxidant can increase fat oxidation, which is why green tea is a great choice to fight obesity. Lemon. Lemon is one of the best sources for vitamin C, which helps your body burn fat. A 2005 study showed that getting enough vitamin C can help the body burn 30% more fat during exercise. Honey. Another great ingredient for weight loss is honey. Honey has a slow effect on blood sugar compared to regular table sugar. This helps to control the appetite and keep a healthy weight. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is also an important ingredient for weight loss, but cinnamon cannot cause weight loss itself. It's very important to eat less calories and to exercise all the time. A study done in 2006 showed that cinnamon extract helps better body composition by raising lean mass and lowering body fat. How to make green tea lemonade for weight loss. Now that you know how helpful these ingredients are for losing weight, you can see why green tea lemonade is a great drink to use in your weight loss diet. Things you'll need: 2 cups of water, 1 green tea bag, 2 to 3 teaspoons honey, lemon zest and juice from 1 lemon, 1/2 inch cinnamon stick. Steps: 1. Put 2 cups of water in a pan. 2. Gently scrape the zest of 1 lemon using a zester, grater, or a sharp paring knife and add it to the boiling water. Make sure the lemon is washed well. 3. Add a piece of cinnamon stick to the water. 4. Cover and let the water boil. 5. Turn off the heat. Put 1 green tea bag in the hot water. Cover and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then put the tea aside to cool down. 6. Strain it. 7. Add the juice of 1 lemon to the tea. 8. Add 2 teaspoons of organic honey to it and mix gently. 9. Keep your green tea lemonade in the refrigerator to cool down, or add a few ice cubes and drink it right away. Besides its great taste, this green tea lemonade will help burn fat and force toxins out of your body. If you want, you can add a pinch of cayenne pepper to your green tea lemonade for extra benefits. If you do not have a cinnamon stick, add a little bit of cinnamon powder to this drink before serving. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please share it with the person who needs it and subscribe to the channel to get new useful information.